Okay, on with 3.2, solving problems with decimals. Let's do a couple of warm-ups, like we always do. Take our calculator out. Let's do the first one on try these, 155.75. Let's add that to 29.35, and we get an answer of 185.1. 185.1. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do number 4. 465.48, and let's divide that by 9, and we get an answer of 51.72. 51.72. Remember, when you're writing down your answer, see if the question asks you to round it to any specific decimal point. That's important. Okay? You can do numbers 2 and 3 on your own. Let's go on to an example here. Brian is a gas fitter. Gas pipe costs $7.69 per yard. Okay, so we're talking about an imperial measurement. How much will it cost to construct a pipe from the gas supply at the front of this house to the hose hookup for the barbecue in the back? Now, when we look at the drawing, we can see that our lengths are in meters, not yards, because the cost is $7.69 per yard. Our measurements in meters, obviously at some point we're going to have to convert from one unit to another. Okay, so let's go to the solution. How many meters of pipe will Brian need for the job? Well, he needs 2.2 plus 9.85 plus 3.6. Let's write that down. 2.2 plus 9.85 plus 3.6. Let's add all of those up. Okay, 2.2 plus 9.85 plus 3.6. You can follow along with your own calculator. We get 15.65 meters. 15.65 meters total. Brian will need 15.65 meters of pipe. Our cost is in dollars though. How many yards of pipe will Brian need? So we have to convert it to yards because we have to calculate the cost in yards. 1 meter is the same as 1.09 yards. We have 15.65 meters. And it's the conversion ratio is 1.09 yards to 1 meter. So we multiply 15.65 times 1.09. Okay, so let's take 15.65. Let's multiply that by 1.09, which is our conversion ratio, and we get an answer of 17.0585 yards. 17.0585 yards. Okay, so how much will the pipe cost? Well, we take however many yards we have, 17.0585. The question didn't ask us to round anything yet, so we're not going to round it. We're going to multiply that by $7.69 for 1 yard. Okay, so let's take 17.0585. Let's multiply that by $7.69. And we get an answer of 131.179. Now, this we have to round off to the nearest 100th because we're talking about money now. And we're going to go to cents, which is the nearest 100th. So we're going to round 0.17 to 0.18 because the third digit is a 9. So $131.18. $131.18. Okay? Second example, a welder cuts a piece of steel 1.92 meters long into 4 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece in inches? So first thing we have to do is we have to read the question. It says he cuts it into 4 equal pieces. So the solution is 1.92 divided by 4. Okay, so let's take our calculator. Let's do 1.92. Let's divide that by 4. And we get decimal 48. So 0.48 meters, or how many centimeters? Well, we know that there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. There's going to be more centimeters by a factor of 100. So we can take our answer of 0.48. We can move it 2 decimal places because it's base 10. We're converting in the metric system 2 places to the right, so 48 centimeters is the same as 0.48 meters. So we take 48 centimeters, we're going to divide that by how many centimeters in 1 inch? Okay, we know that there's 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch from over here. And we get an answer of 48 divided by 2.54 equals 18.897. We'll say 18.9 inches. 18.9 inches. Each piece of steel is about, because it's approximate, we use the word about, is about, we'll say 19 inches long. Okay, so simple calculations to do using decimals. Go ahead and try the practice.